What's up, guys? You're back with another video. You guys already know where the hell we're at, guys. We're at the Hoonigan house right here in Compton, California. Malona's in the back in the trailer right now, guys, and we already did our thing. You know, I can't post this footage yet, but once their video's up, we're gonna be posting our video, and our video's kind of lit. And guys, you know, it did some destruction. I'm gonna put a little clip right here, guys, of what happened. All I know was that the truck was on fire, guys, pero no pasa nada, se arregla. Bueno, guys, we actually messed up 2 spark plugs, and we have them right here ready. Shout out to my boys with that white truck. Look, as you guys are gonna see in that video, probably like in 2-3 weeks or something like that, guys. A ver cuando sale el video. Right now, el compa Güero me va a ayudar. Right, Güero? You gonna help me?
I guess, if I have to.
You gonna help me or you gonna do it for me?
I'll do it for you.
All right. El Güero me va a cambiar los spark plugs and the spark plug cables, guys, porque se quemaron. And la neta, guys, the pinche mamalona still going. Pinche motor no quiere tronar, pero it's part of the game, guys, which, you know, we're trying to blow it, pero no quiere la cabrona. So let's see what show we take it to and we'll blow it. But right now we're gonna be going to my house to go offload it and then do this and then do that and then do that and then do this and then just change the spark plugs. So I'll probably swing it or something, you know. Nothing too crazy, just a little light, you know, a little sideways, you know, a little corner here and there. But oh shit, guys, look what Güero's in. La culona. Ay, way. Hey, bro, I have a question. Do you have diesel in there? What is a diesel plug? Look at that. Don't let your dad watch the videos, bro. You're not be watching the videos. Empty? Oh, shit. I'm going to have to put on some diesel in. Vámonos, vámonos. All right, guys. Güero already dropped off la nalgona. Míralo. Vía de patrón. Aliviale ese cabrón. All right, guys. So I brought Güero to get something to drink because la niña tenía sed. You know what I'm going to get? Water. I'm going to diet. Remember that. Aquafina for the win. Y los niños jugándolo. Siempre jugando los niños. Siempre jugando. What are you getting, bro?
You already know me.
Ah, niño.
No, it's because of espuma.
Bro, Dr. Pepper is nasty.
Tastes like medicine, but it's good.
Look at this fool over here. Oh, fool's gonna get the big old weenie. Oh, let's grab it yourself, huh? Oh, those are fire.
You want one, bro?
Yeah, I'll get one. I'll take one.
One or the whole rack?
One from on the diet. Remember that? Yeah, I'm the chivato pendejo. Let's see what guy still está bien way.
Bro, what did you get?
I got orange bang, bro.
Bang. Why orange bang? Why does everything you get have to say bang on it?
I like to bang shit, bro. I'm about to
What?
bang you right now.
Why me? Hey, watch out.
All right, guys. Now we pulled up to the auto parts because we got to buy some spark plugs, cables, and I don't know what else. There's already a couple. They're waiting for us. Huh, Güero? I should buy a radio for the mamalona, like one of these. Oh, you see? This is bad, bro. They're empty. Because you know they steal shit right here.
Store display $219. Hot deal $219. What's the point of hot deal? The same price.
That's a deal.
Hot deal would be like $219.
Okay,
and
okay.
$60.
There. Put that one there. There. It's $164.
Or
You good now? $115. You see? The prices.
just-
Look, guys, that's a life hack. So you put the box from there to there. Now it's actually $30.99. Now that's a hot deal.
that's a hot deal. Yes.
All right, guys, so they didn't have nothing in stock, so we're gonna be going to AutoZone. That's over there by the corner. But look at the Malona, guys. It actually caught on fire. Look at that. Oh my god. You know, it was all Güero's fault. How, Güero? But guys, no pasa nada. Se arregla. And now we're in AutoZone. Guys, another life hack. Look at that. I didn't even know they have warranty. And what are you smart, bro?
Just saved you $80.
Bro, they're $80, huh? Look at that. That shit got messed up. So now I have warranty with them?
When they burn again, take them off, put Autozone, and you get new
I
ones.
keep doing it again, alright. Okay. What are you doing, bro? What, you're done already, bro?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so these were the cables?
Yeah.
Huh? Let me see what it says right here. High heat protection. Bro, that shit didn't work for me. What happened to the ones I had?
Oh, chicharrones.
Chicharrones, que? Hold shake it. Ay, que rico. You're not done yet, way.
Yeah, I'm putting the
You
cables.
still gotta put the cables on.
Yeah, it's the easy part.
You're taking forever. You can't say it's hot because the truck's been cold, bro.
My arm's hurt.
Damn, this truck looks nice, huh?
Está piratona, pero
Look at him, guys. Look at him. What are you doing? What are you trying to do, bro?
connect them.
Connect what?
Spark plug cables.
What are you doing? Mira, güey, está todo quemado ahí, ¿verdad? Is that what caught on fire earlier, bro?
No, I found the problem.
What's wrong?
This ground cable right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Está todo quemado.
¿Cómo eres, güey, bro, la neta? What did you do, bro?
This one, I plugged it in right here when I was supposed to plug it in back there, and I'm over here plugging this one in.
So you plug this one into here.
Yes.
Right? So now, just plug that one to the back one.
No, you can't do that.
You can't?
No, crazy.
Bueno, ¿cómo eres tan güey, bro? Te digo. You got it now?
Sure.
You sure? Well, let's get the tools, bro. We gotta get the tools first. Come on, bro. You gotta be a clean mechanic. Según he said it's already ready, so let's share it on. What the fuck did you do, Wedo?
Why you get scared?
What did you do?
I made it to do that, to backfire.
Let's go, bro. Vargas, we're on our way. Alright, guys, we're on our way to the tire shop now. And we're driving the Mamalona, I can't. Alright, guys, so we just put over here Vargas Tires and Wheels. Y el güero está huevón que por no echar la pinche llanta atrás, la echa adentro, mira.
No, you know why I put it in there?
Why?
Because this tire, what if I wanted to be in the AC?
No, I told you, bro, that tire was cold. So let's put that one in the AC and then this one was hot.
You just said the tire was cold, so we put it in the AC. You mean the tire's hot, so you put it in the AC.
Huh? Whatever the fuck I said, güero. Did I say that?
Yeah, you said that.
Sorry about that if I said it, bro. But that tire was actually hot, I think. I'm sorry. Now it's fresh because it was in the AC.
You gotta keep it fresh though.
And shout out to my boy Checo, Teguante Wheels and Tires, for sponsoring us with these tires. By that way, they're shooting, bro. Remember, bro, we're in Compton. They're shooting. Mira, güero. Mira. Pinche tiradera de aceite, güey. No miras, güey, o qué? Go pick it up, bro. Look at it. I bet you that aceite es, mira, es aceite, güey. Mira. Mira.
I wonder why we don't have fishing poles, bro.
No, mames, güey. Why fishing poles? Is that a fishing pole?
Yeah, it was. Se llamaba.
No, mames, is it?
Se llamaba.
Oh, bro, that was my fishing pole. That was my good one. Gee, Güero, way. Look, guys, Güero always trying to take something. Bro, there's a 5 lug or there's fucking 20 lug. Look at that shit.
Universal.
Bueno, just get your ass over here before we get in trouble, bro. ¿Era el trabajador del año? A la verga. ¿Bloguero? Hoy, regalito. Te va a dar el de atrás. Te va a dar el de atrás, güey.
Ya está bien usado.
¿Era? A la verga. ¿Eres XL? A ver. Oh, shit.
Me cabe una pata lavada.
¿Verdad? Bueno, guys, no teníamos de su talla, se le dimos 2 para que las cosiera, ¿va?
Y pues la vamos a meter a lavar como 10 veces.
Este güey le entra de todo, güey.
Menos a las putadas.
También a eso, ¿no? Míralo. ¿Sí te gustó eso?
Uf, exquisito.
¿Cómo, güero? Alright, guys, so I think there's like 80% of meat on these tires, so we're gonna try to finish them off right now.
I think you blew it, bro.
Bro, I think we still got like 50 more %. Look at that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, bro. Let's see another one. Let's see another one. Look, another 50%. No pasa nada, guys. No pasa nada. That's the way you actually finish the tires. Shout out to my boys right here, guys, at Vargas Tires and Wheels. El Chaparrito. Guys, if you guys need tires or something out here in Compton, llegan aquí con el Chaparrito, ¿ah?
Estamos al 100.
Guys, they had it closed actually like at 6 o'clock. Y ya son como las 7, 8, ¿no, güey?
8.
Se quedó overtime. Se quedó overtime ahora.
Overtime, sí,
¿Por mí,
sí,
sí o no?
Sí, sí, mira.
Míralo.
Mira. Pero
Las
ya traje rodilleras,
Las rodillas. Mira sus pelos, güey.
Yo quisiera tenerlos así, pero valió ¿Cuántos crees que son? 1 millón. Nah, no, güey. Pégale, pues, pégale.
Dale, güey. Dale. Dale, güero. If someone goes in front of you, bro, how are you gonna do it? Yeah, go ahead. Come on. Oílo. How you gonna do it, güero?
Like somebody that I know.
Go. Go. Oílo.
Nowadays, that's how people be hitting.
How? No, how you do the other hit? The other hit. The top one. Go ahead, it's not way. ¿Cómo está, güey? No. Bueno, guys, ahí quedan las llantas. We got new tires already. Allá está la otra mamalona. You guys already know. Güero has to follow me because the cows be on me, huh, Güero?
They want you.
Bueno, guys.
They want the truck, not you.
They want what?
The truck and you.
Yeah, huh? Bueno, guys, it's time. It's time to eat, huh, Güero? Put over here to Habachihana. Fire. Mira los cocineros. En caliente. Míralo. ¿Qué onda, mejor? ¿Cómo anda? ¿Míralos? ¿Verdad? Oye, abre la boca, güey. Te voy a aventar el chile. Bueno, guys, a tragar se ha dicho. Guys, look at this. Fire. Bueno, todo eso te vas a tragar, güey.
Yeah.
Te vas a cagar, güey. Look at that.
No pasa nada. Voy y cago y me limpio.
Atáscate, perro. Bark. No mames, güey. Bueno, guys, se ha dicho. A tragar. Bueno, guys, so we put up right to a little local meat that going on right there. You have like little vendors, food vendors, stuff like that. Little tacuache kids like these. Look at that. Kids stay in school because they look like fucking Widow, all stupid. There's a guy washing cars here. Look at him. I'm gonna see if he washes my truck right now because that bitch is dirty. Hey, can you wash it? Yep. Ahorita vamos a ver por unos pinches tacos. Como que no le gusta comer a mi compa, ¿verdad? ¿Qué onda, bro? Yeah, bro. Ahorita, down. ¿Verdad? Bueno, guys, ahí quedó toda manchada, pero it kind of look clean, ¿verdad? Make sure to follow him, guys. This is Instagram right here. Make sure to give him a follow. I'm gonna put it right here too, so you guys give him a follow and check it out. Oh, this fool scratched my truck, bro. Look at him. He was polishing it so much que...
Le puso lija, ¿cuál
A ver, yo. Bueno, no seas metiche, güey. Ya te dije, güey. No seas metiche, güey.
Hey, I'm just telling you. De rato me echa la culpa a mí.
¿Ah?
De rato me echa la culpa a mí.
Ah, ok. El compa gets down right here, like I said. Poquita manchada, pero no pasa nada. Sí pasa el jale, ¿sí o no? Hey, ¿y los tacos? vámonos. Guys, valió madre. Have DL ready. Driver license ready. Fuck, no traigo, mira, los chotas. Hijo de su pinche madre. A ver qué me dicen. He said it was good. He said I was good, cuh. Thank you. Drive safe. No mames, cuh. No mames. ¡Pinche culito! What happened, güero?
I thought they were gonna stop me, honestly.
You thought they were or what?
I thought they were.
This is not that loud, though.
Hey, the cop was like, we were like this, he's like... And I was like,
When he told me to go, I kept going, güey. Not that loud, though. Not really. Hey, and he was standing like right here. Not that loud. No. Not that loud. Oh, you like that one, huh? Let's put it inside, guys, because this truck's a little loud, huh? What do you want, bro? The gate key for what?
Park in the back.
Bro, the trailer's in the back, güero.
Oh, yeah.
Stupid.
I forget sometimes, you know.
You want to hear something? Listen to this. Let me go in. I'm going to go in. Go. 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 Hurry up. Alright, guys. Well, that's going to be there for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We out.